So in this video, I'll be showing you how to safely connect a U-Haul trailer to your Tesla Model Y, how it affects range, and what to do when you arrive at a supercharger. I will leave a link in the description that details Tesla's towing guidelines. Now follow me. So today we'll be hooking up a 4x8 cargo trailer to our 2023 Tesla Model Y. It's critical to connect the chains to the vehicle first. This prevents the trailer from rolling away and causing injury to others around you. This will become even more important later on in this video. Once the chains are secured, go ahead and lift the coupler onto the ball of the hitch. This trailer was empty, so it was sort of easy to lift. Now tighten the hand wheel. This will prevent the trailer from disconnecting while driving. Most U-Haul locations will do the initial installation for you, but remember, you're not pulling up the pump 6 anymore to fill up. So knowing how to do this is very important. Once you've tightened the hand wheel, go ahead and disconnect the chains. Wrap them around the tongue of the trailer. This will prevent the chains from dragging on the roadway. Now go ahead and hook the chains onto your Model Y once again. Once everything's secured, connect the trailer plug to your Model Y. Verify that you have the blue trailer icon on your screen and check your brake lights. If you're by yourself, turn on your hazards to make sure the lights on the trailer are working. Next, conduct a circle check of your Model Y and trailer. Make sure your tires are adequately inflated, check for nails and uneven wear. You can access your Model Y PSI reading under the service menu. So now you're at a supercharger, and unfortunately, most of the stalls are occupied and there isn't a pull-in stall available like this one. Now what do? Unfortunately, you will have to unhook your trailer. Speaking from experience, this sucks, and it is extremely heavy, especially if you're 12 hours into your trip and this is your 4th time unhooking this thing. If you're unhooking a loaded trailer, remember it can be extremely heavy to lift. This also increases the chances of the trailer rolling backwards, so park on a flat surface and away from others. The first thing you should do is unhook and unravel the chains, then disconnect the trailer plug. Now reconnect the chains to your Model Y and loosen the hand wheel. Carefully lift the coupler from the ball and unhook the trailer. It's important that the chain is connected to your Tesla to prevent the trailer from rolling too far backwards. Now disconnect the chains and charge up. Now let's touch on range for a bit. Normally, during a 700-mile road trip from Michigan to Georgia, we would stop a total of 5 times to charge our Model Y. While towing this particular trailer, we stopped a total of 7 times. And I had to unhook this thing 4 times. I'm pretty sure this was the heaviest thing I've ever lifted in my entire life. And reversing with the trailer, that's another challenge, so try your best to avoid doing that. And let me know in the comments if you've ever towed a trailer with your Tesla Model Y. Thanks for liking this video and subscribing.